Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It is day number 8 of my Thanksgiving menu, and I'm going to do a dessert video right here. Didn't plan on doing a dessert video this early, but I have someone, and she knows who she is, harassing me to do this bread pudding video since she finally tasted it in Georgia. So we're going to jump into this and I'm going to show you how I get it done. Alrighty guys, so I had someone finally taste bread pudding, old school bread pudding in Georgia, and she's been harassing me to show her how to make it. So I got me two slices, that wouldn't be a bread pudding. I got 2 loaves of white bread right here. Got me some light brown sugar, vanilla extract, some cinnamon, some fruit cocktail, that's optional, and I have me 2 whole eggs, and I'm going to be using some white sugar. Also right here, that's a half cup of brown sugar, half cup of white sugar. Alright, then I also use a stick of unsalted melted butter. I'll have all of this in the recipe down in the description of the video, so don't worry if I'm not showing everything here. Okay, so we get that melted butter in. Then I'm going to come in with my cinnamon and my eggs. Got my eggs beaten together, and we're just going to go ahead and dump that in there. Alright. And I'm going to add some cinnamon inside of here, guys. You can add as little or as much as you like. I like a lot of cinnamon, so I'm going to go a little heavy with it. Alright, then I'm going to come in here and add some vanilla extract to it. Same thing with the vanilla extract. I don't measure vanilla extract. I just get it inside of there. The more the better for me. Alright, once I got that added, then I'm going to add my fruit cocktail to it. I don't know what I did with that clip, but in any case, I'm just going to kind of get that moved around so when I do come in here and mix everything, not everything will be in one big pile. And then to this I'm going to come in and add 4 cups of regular whole milk. And I add 4 cups immediately, guys, because I knew that that's how much it's going to take right from the start, because this bread is really dry. I had it for about a week or so. Alright, so after I got that 4 cup of milk in, I'm going to come in here and start mixing this together, and that bread is going to just soak up all of that milk and butter and the juices off of that fruit cocktail. I'm always making noise as I'm recording. Alright, so this is coming together, but you can tell that it's still pretty dry. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to add 1 more cup of milk inside of here, and that's going to do it for me. So that is 5 cups of milk total. And we're going to just give that a mix and then let it hang out for about 10 minutes, because that bread is still going to continue to absorb all of this liquid. Alright, now you can add raisins to this too, guys. Some people add raisins to it. I like it with raisins. I just didn't have any on hand. And believe it or not, some people add apple to this also. I've never had it with apple, but I've heard that it is absolutely delicious. Something I might try one day. So after I let it sit for maybe 10 minutes, this is what I have right here. This is the perfect consistency that I'm looking for. So all I'm going to do is just slide this out of the way, come in with my pan that I melted my butter in, and the residual butter down in the bottom of this pan is going to be enough so that this doesn't stick or anything. And I'm cooking in a non-stick pan, so you don't have to spray it or anything. So I'm gonna just get all of this mixture in, spread it out nice and evenly. Make sure my fruit is distributed evenly as possible so everybody gets a little piece of fruit. Alright, and this is going to go in the oven uncovered, 350 degrees for about 40 minutes to an hour, and I'll be back. Alrighty guys, so bread pudding is out of the oven. This took about 45-50 minutes because this was such a thick one. But that just looks absolutely beautiful, nice golden brown. Got those nice edges that my brother like. So I'm just gonna let that thing cool down a little bit, let it set up. Then I'm gonna give it a taste test. The taste test is gonna be funny because I'm being petty in the taste test. Had a commenter tell me something down in my comments, but just watch the taste test and you guys will know what I'm talking about. Alright guys, I'm coming in with a real quick taste test here. This is my nice, good, old school, old style banana pudding. Banana pudding. Come on, Kenny, get it together. Bread pudding. Alright guys, I'm not going to waste any time with this thing. I'm going to just go ahead and come in here. I'm not going to mess with that piece. My brother like that corner piece. I don't want him to take me out. And his Giants just lost Sunday also, so I know he's mad. I'm coming here and get me a piece of this bread pudding. Look at that. You can see the cinnamon and brown sugar in that. This bite is for the person in my comment that told me not to chew close to the camera again. So this bite is for you. Nom, 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 nom. Miserable people. That's good, guys. I got the perfect texture on that. Half cup of brown sugar, half cup of white sugar. Perfect for that. You don't want it too sweet, because if you're adding the fruit cocktails in it, that's sweet also. So it's a nice balance of sweetness, nice cinnamon and vanilla taste. Absolutely wonderful. Alright guys. Alrighty guys, so please excuse me chewing like that. I just wanted to be petty and hopefully upset the person that left me that comment. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And please subscribe to my channel if you are new. I'm at 8,000 subscribers, guys. I appreciate it so much. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and Pinterest, Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag. Just be a blessing to someone. Peace.